I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some test questions on volume of cylinder. We have two parts to a similar question, which is a cylindrical can has capacity of 500 milliliters. Find its height if the radius is 3.5 centimeters, and part B is find its diameter if the height is 10 centimeters. So what we're given here is a can, right? So let's say this is given to us, and we know the capacity means volume, right? So it is 500 milliliters. Now 500 milliliters is how many centimeter cubes? Now these units are in centimeters, right? So 500 milliliters, you should know, is also 500 centimeter cube, right? So they are 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cube. Now the formulas related are that volume is pi r square, which is area of the base, times height, where r is the radius and h is the height, right? So that is all known to us. Now with that information, I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's see how to solve the first one. It says find its height if the radius is given to you, right? So we know volume is equals to 500. Let me write it in centimeter cube, milliliter, or you can write 500 centimeter cube. So both are same units, right? Since we are given other dimensions in centimeter, right? We are given radius equals to 3.5 centimeters, and we need to find height. That's the question. Now what is the relation between volume, radius and height? We know volume is pi r square h. Now if we want to find height, we can divide both sides by pi r square. So we get height equals to volume divided by pi r square, correct? So in this case, volume is 500, okay, divided by pi, which is 3.14, times r square, r is 3.5 square, right? So we can use the calculator to calculate the answer. So we have 500 divided by, let me put all this in brackets, right? Or you can do one by one. 3.14 equal to, and then you divide this by 3.5 square, right? Which is equal to, you get the answer as 12.99, right? So let me round it to 13.0 centimeters, right? So that is how you could find the height when you're given volume and radius. Now the other part is we are given the height this time. So we have the volume of 500 centimeter cube. Height is given to us as 10 centimeters, and we need to find the radius, right? So let's rearrange this formula once again. Volume is pi r square h. So what is r? Well, r square will be equals to volume divided by pi divided by h. So r will be square root of all this, right? Volume divided by pi h. So that is what r is. So let's substitute the values. Volume is 500 divided by pi. You could write pi as such, or 3.14 depending on your calculator, and the height is 10, so times 10. Is it okay? So let's use the calculator once again. So what we have here is square root, and see, if you want to use all at one time, you could do 500 divided by, when you do divide by, put brackets, then we do have pi here, pi times 10, bracket close, right? So we are dividing by both these terms, equal to, we get 3.989. So what we get here is 3.989. So approximately, let's say 4.0 centimeters, right? So that is what we get. So you can compare. It seems to be reasonable, right? For the same volume, 3.5 centimeters and a height of 13, 10 height, 4.0 centimeters as your radius, right? So we rounded both the answers to the first decimal place. I hope that helps. So in this video, we learned how to rearrange radius, height and volume to find one of them when two are given to us, right? So the formulas will be height equals to volume divided by pi r square, and radius is equals to volume divided by pi h square root, right? So these are the three formulas which we have applied in this particular video to solve the questions. I hope that helps. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Feel free to send your remarks and comments. Thank you and all the best.